Today we're in the Sea Pines neighborhood in Bandon, Oregon, looking at a vacant lot tucked into a quiet cul-de-sac just a few blocks from the Coquille Point and beach access. This is one of the more established neighborhoods on the west side of town, with underground utilities, mature coastal trees, and easy access to some of Bandon's most recognizable shoreline. Let's take a look at the property. The lot is mostly cleared and level, giving you a pretty straightforward starting point for future development. A handful of established coastal pines remain on the property, adding some natural privacy and character. All underground city utilities are available at the street for future connection. Manufactured homes are permitted here as well, which opens up additional flexibility depending on the type of build someone is considering. One thing that stands out in this part of Bandon is how established the neighborhood feels. Sea Pines has a mix of full-time residences and secondary homes, with paved streets, mature landscaping, and very little through traffic since the property sits near the end of a cul-de-sac. From here, you're also positioned close to everyday services, including Bandon's schools, the public library, and city park, while still being only minutes from Old Town and the harbor area. Starting on this side along the road, the lot measures approximately 170 feet. And from here, the property extends another 100 feet on the northern boundary. Okay, and the final side here returns about 34 feet to the street frontage. Because the lot is mostly level and already cleared, it's easier to visualize how a future home site, parking area, and outdoor space could be positioned. The beach access at Coquille Point is only a stone's throw from the property. This section of coastline is known for broad sandy beaches, tide pool areas, offshore rock formations, and views of some of Bandon's most recognizable sea stacks. If you're looking for a vacant lot near the beach in Bandon, this one's definitely worth coming to see in person. You're close to the shoreline, located in an established neighborhood with city services available at the street, all with flexible development options. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a showing, use the link in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.